Hi there, welcome to the game-changing approach to investing that will triple your returns and accelerate your dividend snowball. This video reveals the potential of the top 4 highest-yielding exchange-traded funds, opening up a wealth of financial opportunities. Be ready to discover how, as a novice or expert investor, you can optimize your dividends and achieve remarkable growth. Join us as we set out on a path to financial success, ready to take your assets to new heights. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to the fast-paced world of investing, where financial markets never sleep and opportunities for growth and income abound. In this ever-evolving landscape, exchange-traded funds have emerged as a game-changer, offering investors a world of possibilities. While many focus on ETFs for capital appreciation, there's a hidden treasure within these funds that often goes unnoticed. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that might just triple your returns. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the 4 highest-yielding ETFs in the market. Exchange-traded funds have revolutionized the way investors approach the financial markets. These investment vehicles offer a diversified, cost-effective, and liquid way to gain exposure to various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, commodities, and more. While many investors focus on capital appreciation through ETFs, there's another aspect that shouldn't be overlooked, that is income generation. In this video, we'll explore how to potentially triple your returns with the 4 highest-yielding ETFs. Understanding yield. Before diving into the world of high-yield ETFs, it's essential to understand what yield means. Yield is a measure of the income generated by an investment, expressed as a percentage of the investment's market price. In the context of ETFs, yield typically comes from dividends, interest payments, or other income-producing assets held within the fund. To triple your returns with high-yield ETFs, you need to focus on those that provide a strong income stream, which can substantially boost your overall investment performance. The 4 highest-yielding ETFs. Number 1. iShares Select Dividend ETF. It is an ETF that tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Select Dividend Index. It primarily invests in dividend-paying U.S. stocks. As of the knowledge cutoff date in January 2022, it had a yield of approximately 3.5%, making it an attractive option for income-focused investors. Reinvesting these dividends can significantly enhance your long-term returns. Number 2. iShares iBoxx Investment Grade Corporate Bond ETF. For those looking to generate income through fixed income investments, LQD is an excellent choice. This ETF invests in a portfolio of investment-grade corporate bonds. While bond yields tend to be lower than those of dividend-paying stocks, LQD's diversified bond portfolio can offer a steady income stream with limited risk. Its yield hovered around 2.2% in early 2022. Number 3. Alerian Master Limited Partnership ETF. AMLP tracks the Alerian Master Limited Partnership Infrastructure Index and focuses on energy infrastructure master limited partnerships. These MLPs typically generate substantial income from transporting and storing energy products. As of early 2022, AMLP had a yield of around 7.5%, making it a high-yield choice for income-seeking investors. Keep in mind that MLP investments have unique tax considerations, so it's crucial to understand the tax implications before investing. Number 4. Invesco KBW High Dividend Yield Financial ETF. KBWD is designed to replicate the KBW Nasdaq Financial Sector Dividend Yield Index. It focuses on high dividend yield financial companies, including real estate investment trusts, banks, and insurance companies. In early 2022, KBWD offered an impressive yield of approximately 8%, making it one of the highest-yielding ETFs available. Investors should be aware that the financial sector can be volatile, so there may be increased risk associated with this ETF. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Key considerations. While high-yield ETFs can provide substantial income, it's essential to consider several factors before investing. Risk tolerance. High-yield ETFs may come with higher risk due to the nature of the underlying assets. Consider your risk tolerance and investment horizon before committing capital. Tax implications. Different types of income, dividends, interest, and capital gains can have varying tax treatment. Be aware of the tax consequences of your investments and consult a tax professional if needed. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investment portfolio with a mix of asset classes can help spread risk. Monitoring. Keep an eye on the performance of your chosen high-yield ETFs and rebalance your portfolio if necessary. Market conditions and yields can change over time. Investing in high-yield ETFs can be an effective strategy for income-focused investors looking to potentially triple their returns. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance, and stay informed about the changing economic and market conditions. High-yield ETFs can provide a boost to your investment portfolio, but they should be just one component of a well-diversified investment strategy. If you've enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest financial insights, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and do subscribe our channel. Feel free to comment down below with your thoughts and questions. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the world of high-yield ETFs.